Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.10, Question number 10. If vector A, B, C are three non-coplanar vectors such that A cross B cross C equal vector B plus vector C over root 2, then the angle between them A and B is. Here A cross B A cross B cross C we can write as A dot B ACB minus A dot B C, which is equal given vector B plus vector C by root 2. Now which is further equal B vector over root 2 plus C vector by root 2. Comparing the like terms here, A minus A B minus A dot B into vector C is equal by root 2 equal 1 by equal to minus 1 by root 2, because this minus, we are comparing this minus A vector dot vector C equal 1 by root 2. Therefore from this we can condition, look here, this minus half, it indicates A cross B is, since A dot B is negative, if A dot B is negative means theta must be obtuse. Theta is obtuse angle. Here the option of here obtuse angle is 3 pi by obtuse angle is 3 pi by 4. Option 2. Then if the volume of parallel pipe A cross B, B cross C, C cross A as a coterminous edges is 8 cubic units, and the volume of parallel pipe with A cross B cross B cross C, B cross C cross C cross A, and C cross A cross B, here this is every time double time multiplied, so volume become, therefore the volume is 8 square, that is 64 comes. Since first A cross B, B cross C, C cross A is 8, so everything is double, so it's squared, because volume is squared if sides are doubled. So it is 64 cubic unit. 12th question. Consider the vector A, B, C, D such that A cross B cross C cross D equal to 0 vector. Let P1 and P2 be the planes determined by the pairs of vectors A, B, C, A, B and C, D respectively. Then the angle between P1 and P2. Look at here, 12 is given A cross B cross C cross D equal 0 vector given. The planes determined by the pair of vectors A cross B and C cross D are parallel. Here this cross product is 0, then the pair of vectors A cross B and C cross D are represented parallel. Therefore, theta must be 0 degrees. So, question number 12, option 1. Next is question number 13. A cross B cross C equal A cross B cross C, where A, B, C are any three vectors such that B dot C is not 0 and A dot B is not 0, and A and C are 13. Here, first let us express this. A cross B cross C is equal to given A cross B cross C. That means we'll express this as AC B minus AB C. This side is ACB minus ABC. Here ACB and this ACB is cut. For that, which gives further A dot B C is here BCA equal B dot CA. Now therefore vector C is BCA over AB, which gives, from that we can say C is, from which gives the information C is some value of constant with A. That means C vector parallel to vector A. So the 13th option is C is parallel to, so it is parallel. So the condition is parallel. Here next we will give the space for this. Question number 14th. If A is 2i 3j minus k, B is I plus 2j k, like 5k minus C is 3i 5j minus k, then a vector perpendicular to A and lies in the plan containing B and C is, the 14th is, the vector containing the vector perpendicular to A and lies in the plane containing B and C is A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C. We have to find A cross B cross C is I, J, K. Then is B is 1, 2 minus 5 given 1, 2 minus 5, and C is given as, now before that we will find first B cross C. B cross C is I, J, K, and B is 1, 2 minus 5, 3, 5 minus 1. This is for B cross C. We have I minus 2 plus 25 minus J is minus 1 plus 15 plus K is 5 minus 6 equal 23I minus 14J minus 1K minus 1K. Now further A cross B cross C equal, for we have to do I, J, K, and vector of A is 2, 3 minus 1, then 23 minus 14 minus 1, so which gives I minus 3 minus 14 minus J minus 2 plus 23, and for K is minus 28 minus 69, which is equal I, which is minus 17I minus 21J 21J minus 97K. Look at this option. 14th is option 3. Option 4 here, minus 17J 21J minus 97K. Here option 4, question number 15. The angle between x minus 2 by 3 and y plus 1 by minus 2 z is 2, like second line is given. So you have to find the angle between them. Here, question number 15th. Question number 15th is, here you have to find A1, B1 we have to find A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 you have to calculate. That is 3 into 1 minus 2 into 3 by 2 plus 0 into 2. For that you have to calculate first the values. 3 minus 3 plus 0 equals 0. So this 0, therefore the lines are perpendicular, because dot product is 0, the lines are perpendicular. Lines are perpendicular means theta is pi by 2. Question number is 4th, option is 4. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.